Welcome to Boldak e-learning. In today's short video, we will talk about the sum and the SUMIF functions. Let's start first with the sum function. Let's say that I want to sum the values of column G, this column. To do that, we will come to the cell equal sum, press tab and select the range that you want to sum. Press enter and that is your value. We have a shortcut for that. Let's say I want to sum the values of column F. We will come to the cell, press alt equal, press enter, and there you go, the summation. We can do that for rows also. Alt equal, and we have summed the values of this row. Let's go to SUMIF. We have a condition. We want to sum the values of January 2018 and 2019 of the first plot. Okay, so to do that, we will come here, write equal SUMIF, press tab. What's my range? What's my criteria range? That's my criteria range, comma. What's my criteria? It should be equal to Jan, right? Comma, and where is my sum range? That's my sum range. Why? Because I need the values of the plot AR1245. Okay, let's close parentheses, press enter, and this is my value. We can check if this value is true or not by selecting these two values and check the sum in the bottom. Okay, let's go to the next example. We want to sum values in the first plot that are larger than 4,000. So we will sum values that are only larger than 4,000. To do that, equal SUMIF. Okay, what's my range? In this example, my criteria range and my sum range are the same. So I will select this range as my range. The criteria is in quotation marks bigger than 4,000, close quotation marks, and close parentheses. We don't need a sum range. Press enter, and that's the value. You can check if that's true or not using the same method we did for the first example. This is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any functions or formulas explained in Excel, please put them in the comments and we will make a video about them. Thank you and take care.